Okay, this street is called General Ivens Ferraz. It's quite sunny. I'm gonna walk down that street in a moment. I'm also gonna start over here at this beautiful temple, so that'll be the beginning of the video, and then I'll walk down the street. But yeah, I just saw this beautiful shrine, and I don't really see. I've seen something similar, but I don't see this very often. That particular one. But we're gonna be walking down that particular street, and I'll put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Give you a little context before we begin. The backside, and then right over there is the water. There's a little bay, a little waterfront right in there. Okay, so we're going to film our street. Put it up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Yeah, that's really beautiful. You like that one? Okay. So all these pigeons up here too. So okay, so our street's gonna be so our street's going to be at the base of this one, and then we're going to go all the way down this way. So let me I'm going to stick to this side, I guess. I'm also looking for another street, and I think it's going to be maybe inside here, maybe no. There's another one when I was looking with the map. Let's see what this is. It's kind of crazy. Okay. Kind of been this big, feels like a maze. But I was looking for this other street called, there's a different one with a different name, and I just don't see it. So I was wondering if it might be down one of these alleys. There's also a park right there. Yeah, so right there, it's like a construction. I walked over there earlier. So anyways, I guess that other street is all under construction. I'm trying to document all the different streets in Macau, and just so that we have a record of them. And there was one that I was looking for, and sometimes you see these ones on Google Maps and they don't actually exist. So I think that's the case with this one as well. There's a one that's parallel to here. This is kind of interesting though. These you can see the rooftop stuff. There's two rooftops. There's one at the very top, of course, and then there's another one that's like right here, so you can see like gardens and laundry and stuff like that. So there'll be layers above us, which I always found kind of interesting. I also want to show you. It's a really bright, sunny day today, but I'm gonna walk over this way. And then you can see like a shrine temple right towards the mountains directly ahead. So I kind of see they're probably playing, playing some card games. I've never seen that card game before. Okay. So I think our street might continue down. I'm just gonna capture this. That one right there. So that's the name of the street. And I'm a little bit curious if it continues down or not. I'm also curious what they're playing in the park. Yeah, kind of an interesting neighborhood. I guess we're gonna continue down. I'm really curious to see what they're playing in the park. I don't feel like I should film them because I don't know if they're doing like some kind of illegal gambling or anything like that. So we're still in our target street, so we continue walking down it. Yeah, this is not a typical street that I walk down. And we're not too far from this harbor area. we're actually a little bit parallel with it. Yeah, that's really interesting, that card game that they're playing. Usually I'll see people playing zhongqi, like Chinese chess. It's really interesting that I saw something so different like that particular game. Anyways, I'm gonna just keep walking all the way down to the end and just kind of document the street and see what else is on here. Different types of restaurants. Cafe Wo. Bus stop. Yeah, and straight ahead we have a kind of a mountain top. We're gonna identify exactly what that is. I think it's you can see it right there, right? I think it's Mongha. So Mongha is not too far from the border with China. And then right around the corner here, maybe we'll walk. Let's walk this way first. It's kind of sunny, so yeah, the border. There's a there's a border over here and another one over there. And then this used to be like dog races. There's some pretty interesting things carved into the walls over here. Anyways, that's the end of our street. General Ivens Ferraz. I think I filmed it before, but I think sometimes I film parts. I don't know if I filmed it quite like this today. And down here they have all these fruits and stuff like that. Okay. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to capture some of these people playing those games. So now I'm walking back the same way that I came. It's a little bit better filming this way, mostly because the sun was so bright going the other way. I just couldn't really seem to avoid it. And what I want to do this particular time is go into that little space where the people were playing the cards. Okay, let me get up there closer. Okay, so now we're facing down that way. You can see the Mongha Hill right there. And then that little white thing in the hills is overlooking the dog races, where it used to be the dog races. That's no longer there. And then there's like a it looks like a temple, but I think it's actually like a crematorium. I think it's like a cremation. And then this is this park right in here. It's really bright and sunny, so we'll try to try to get out of the sun a little bit. Okay, so it's a little bit hard to see because of the sun, but it goes all the way down that way. And then you can see lots of people in the park as well. Hello. So yeah, they're playing some kind of game that I am not familiar with. Kind of interesting. Anyways, the sun is so bright. This is something that I might try to check out another time. Yeah, so it looks like that little area right there, they'll play that game. And it's kind of interesting. Okay. So we'll end it here. I did try to, it's a little bit darker out, but when I go near them, everybody stops and stares at me, so I don't want to make anybody uncomfortable because I don't know if that's gambling or not. But this is this whole little park. And I'll just capture this and put it into the video as well.